Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I am going to practice I'm going to do practice about Excel and what will be in Excel, because Excel itself a vast course. If one start to learn from basic, there should be more time it will take to learn, guys. So as earlier videos we have learned about link and hyperlink. Do you have any confusion? So I will repeat in once. And then today's topic, it's all about error, different kind of error. Yeah, while working in Excel, on Excel you will get different kind of error, because Excel is a very sensitive to work. It is all about function. We often use, not often, but Excel is all about function, and when we try to use any kind of function, it will always appear a an error while working on Excel, because we are human being, and while typing it can be mistaken by ourselves. So if you make mistake, and if your screen showing, your Excel workbook is showing, sheet showing any kind of error, then don't be panic, guys. Here we are going to learn how to fix any kind of error in Excel, and it is very necessary to learn if you want to overcome any kind of fear working on Excel. Then you must learn this kind of error and how can we fix it. Let's get started. Without before starting, I would like to say that what are the different kind of errors. Let me inform you that there are, first error is division error, hashtag div. It will appear in your screen. That is hashtag div means division error. The second one is hashtag value error. Value, we will learn practically, we will see how it can be solved, how can be fixed. So before that we should know about that, what kind of errors we will get in Excel. So let me inform you first. So first one is div, hashtag div. Second one is hashtag value. Third one is hashtag name. Fourth one is hashtag spill. And fifth one is hashtag name, I already, hashtag reference, reference. And hashtag not applicable, na, hashtag not applicable. So these are the error we must learn. And if anyone want to start learn, if you want to learn Excel from scratch, then it is the basic thing you should work on it, and you have to make it strong. This is the part. If anyone anyone learn, then they will start being so strong, they will start feeling so strong that if any kind of error is coming, now I am able to fix it. There will be no any person needed to what should do next. So let's get it started without delaying, guys. Like suppose I am clicking on there and okay, and it has created. So after clicking here, we will get, as it is not any site. So yeah, it is working, guys. See here, after creating the hyperlink, we have come here. When you will click on Susma, you will come here on this site. It was, so you can create like this. Hyperlink had created, and if you want to delete, right click, remove hyperlink. So that's how you can create errors. So what is the error? So first one is hashtag division. Some like here is a number 12, and this one is 2. So after dividing it is equal to 12, then divided by 2, what we will get? Answer 6. But at the same time, in place of 2 or in place of 12, if you by mistake have typed here 0, then what will happen? Are you seeing, guys? This is hashtag has division. Div means division. So that's how it will work. And how can fix it? You will see after clicking there, you will get, let me change this one. Are you seeing guys here? Formula bar. In formula bar you will get the formula E5 divided by F5. So if you see any kind of 0, division 0 is written here, so you can fix here by getting any kind of number like 2 or 0. Is always keep in your mind that while dividing or any kind of function, there should not be any kind of 0 is written there. Okay, it should not be written 0 if you see error division, because in division, after putting it in putting after writing 0, you will get nothing, 0. That is the reason here you are showing division. So if you put any kind of number, then you will get answer like 2 or 4, then you will get answer. So it is the one kind of error. And the second one is hashtag suppose here is written Sushma and there is one number 12 and you want to work on that is equal to, you have selected this one plus this one, then what will we get? Hashtag value. Are you seeing guys? Value error. How will, and what is the meaning of this? It means after clicking you will get that in D2 column, in D, this is D and this is 2 rows. So the cell is meet here, when the cell is meeting here, D and 2, that is called D2, and this one is E2. This whole row is called 2 and this whole column is called D. This one is D and this one is 2. So it is D2 and it is E2. The second number is row is 2. So if we click here, this is C2, this is D2, E2, F2, G, H2, I2. So if you get any kind of confusion, that is the reason I am telling from basics. That will be helpful for you. And D2 plus, after clicking here hashtag value error, you will get D2 plus E2. In D2 there is a text and in E2 there is a number. So can you imagine, can you think guys, that can we add or can we add a text number, a text with a number? It can be happen? No. That is the reason we are getting here hashtag value error. So what should we do? In place of text, you can write here any kind of number like 6. So then you will get the answer. If you want to add any kind of number, then it should be, or in Excel we always work on numerical things, number, and while making function we should always use number, numerical. So if you are getting any kind of text while working on function, then you will get hashtag value error. And how it should be corrected, here I have shown you. So these are the things, and what are the other things I am going to tell you. You got the answer after adding, after sum. This is the total. And what is called reference? Suppose this is the total and we are doing here subtotal, or yeah, this subtotal or grand total. Okay, so what we do here in grand total, we are going to make a reference here, is equal to, select this total and enter. Suppose if after working so hours we are going to have a tea, or we started gossiping with someone, and suddenly by default or by fault the number deleted, by mistake, suppose 34 deleted, then what should be happen? Now if you are writing here 45, then it will come 45, and magical formula, that is equal to sequence, is equal to sequence, sequence. So did you see guys how hashtag name function working? Here we have deleted, and we are going to put a function is equal to sum, and select the table, then rows, and then enter, and then enter. Hashtag name, are you seeing guys why it is coming, why it is showing hashtag name? Because after clicking you will see the changes what have done. Are you seeing guys? Here is written SU double M. There is no any kind of double M function available in Excel. It always should be wrong, right one, that is SUM, not double M. We should delete it, and in under the sum function we are showing the pop-up SUM function is showing. After pressing tab you will get that function, and it will start working. So that's how you can fix it. Hashtag name error, it was one kind of function one should use. And the next one is sequence. It's a magical function guys. Today's best function has is equal to sequence, hashtag sequence, and oh my god. So hashtag sequence, then bracket. Why it is not coming? Wait. As you are seeing that hashtag is equal to sequence function is not working in my Excel worksheet, because it is Excel 2016. After upgrading, after updated version of 2021, you can work on hashtag sequence. I think it is not available in my 2016 Excel version, so I am not able to make it, but I am sharing with you how it will work. If you have updated version of Excel, then you can practice it. So guys, I hope it was a very helpful session or practice session where I was practicing with you. And if you start practicing, then definitely you are going to learn and you are going to improve. You will be able to work freely, independently by yourself, definitely. So this is the start. First, what we should learn, we have started, and practice it. Keep signing, keep learning.